As servers run, they generate tons of event log data that provides insight into performance and security. Let's look at some high-value events to focus on. First, application or timeouts on IIS servers. These help identify app issues affecting users. Next, tracking logon failures for disabled AD accounts is useful for auditing potential security breaches. And monitoring for system resource exhaustion events allows proactively tuning before outages occur. Getting familiar with key event scenarios like this will help guide you to what you're searching for. I'm here on my PowerShell console pulled up with the PowerShell remoting session connected to my problematic IIS server in question. So let's start with a simple example querying the Windows event logs. The most common log is the system log, which contains events logged by Windows system components. Now to query this log, we can use the get win event commandlet. So let's run get win event now to query the system log and look at the 5 most recent events. You can see this returned the 5 most recent events from the system log. Simple enough. Get win event returns various attributes related to each event, including the timestamp, message, and more. Each event is separated by the event provider or the source of the event. Now that you have the basics down, let's look at the logs specific to IIS. First, what if you don't know where the IIS records are even recorded at? Let's look at all the event log names first. Using the list log parameter and providing a couple of wildcards here, I can find all the logs with the text IIS in them somewhere. You see the official IIS event logs as the 3 on the bottom there, and a mock one that I've created at the top called IIS event log. I created this one to easily show you how to query various events. I can then specify the IIS event log just a single event log and only find events in that event log. So we're now seeing IIS specific events in the log. You can also filter event logs down by the provider name. The provider is capable of recording events to many different event logs. Using the provider name parameter, you can see that the provider of IIS troubleshooting demo did not record events inside of the IIS event log. So maybe you need to filter these down to only critical errors and warnings to pinpoint issues. Well, let's retrieve critical errors and warnings, which are levels 1 and 2. Now I'm filtering out all the low-level noise and focusing on events that are likely to indicate problems, and also introduced a new parameter here called filter hash table. Notice that I consolidated the log name into a hash table and added the level key. Filter hash table lets you specify multiple filters inside of a hash table. But maybe you only want to see events that occurred, 24 hours ago or more recent. Now I'm getting a little fancier here by dynamically creating a start time date, but it works great. Here for the start time, I'm getting the current date and then removing 1 day from it using a time span object. You can filter on just about anything you wish with the filter hash table parameter. As you can see, we have 3 events recorded since yesterday. So by walking through get win event usage, we've learned how to pinpoint vital information in the Windows logs. This will let you rapidly troubleshoot issues like IIS crashes and a whole lot more.